Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.2-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep is a great value with less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, blind spot safety, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.